हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं पेंडोरा सेंट्स का सैटिन लक्स परफ्यूम का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड दिस इज हाउ द परफ्यूम लुक्स लाइक एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अनदर ड्यूप ऑफ मेसन फ्रांसिस कुर्कजास ड्यूप. This perfume is duping Oud Satin Mood from MFK, and this is the version that is released by Pandora Scents, which is a sister brand of Paris Corner. I'm going to be talking about this particular perfume in this video. Let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है. You hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. This perfume comes in this blue colored box and it has golden details on it. This is how the box looks like. Very simple cardboard box which has basic details. The quality assurance sticker is right here. Paris Corner label is right here, and this is the overall packaging for the box. I don't find the box to be fancy or very sturdy. It is kind of flimsy, and this is the cover in which the perfume is sitting inside. This is how the perfume bottle looks like. It has the same kind of like the blue shade of the outer packaging, but the bottle is kind of like frosted glass. You can still see the dent that you've made, and it is kind of see-through against light, so you can definitely see the perfume here. And again, there is a metal strip on which all the details are mentioned and a golden cap. Now golden cap is not very tight on this, so don't hold the bottle like this, it will definitely fall. And the atomizer is also golden in color. Overall the packaging is nice. The pentagon bottle looks lavish, and overall like it looks quite luxurious. Now this is how the sprayer is. Now as you can see, the sprayer works really well, diffuses the product well. I just want to put some of it and show. So हल्का सा जब आप डार्क क्लोथ्स के ऊपर लगाते हो तो एक निशान पड़ता है, बट 5-10 मिनट बाद वो उड़ जाता है, so it does not stain clothes. Now, like I already said, this one is a dupe to Maison Francis Kurkdjian's Oud Satin Mood perfume, and the notes breakdown is exactly same as that perfume. Okay, so this has a very kind of like a very basic rundown of the notes. It opens up with two kind of roses. One is Turkish rose and Bulgarian rose. In the mid notes, it has vanilla and amber wood, which is oud basically, and then it has some violet and benzoin. So the notes breakdown is pretty simple, and all in all, this comes out as a rosy, oody, woody, sweet and powdery fragrance. Now this one is a unisex fragrance. Men and women both can wear it. But I do have to say that the rose in this is very prominent. So if you are a guy and you're not comfortable with rosy fragrances, you may want to stay away from this one, because the rose and the powdery elements in this perfume is pretty strong. Now this perfume, I find this to be long lasting and projective, and this is kind of almost nearing the beast mode mark. Now around 15 sprays is what I usually wear. 15 to 20 sprays of perfume I wear on everyday basis, and when I wore 15 to 20 sprays of this particular perfume, it gave me a massive headache, and it lasted for almost 12 hours, which kind of was irritating at some point of time, because I was like, this is too strong to handle, and I literally had to wash my hands to wash off the perfume, and still it was there. So I can comfortably call this like a beast mode perfume. This is strong, it's projective, it has a great sillage, and overall this is a compliment getter. So I will say use around 5 to 10 sprays to get around 5 to 6 hours. And if of course you want to go crazy like I did, and you're okay to handle the immense powerful perfumes, then you can go with around 20 sprays of this one. It will be sorted for the entire day. Now this is a projective fragrance. In the first 1 hour when you apply this, it keeps projecting, and after that it kind of projects in 3 to 4 hours of gap, and you will get wisp of this very sweet rose supari sort of a wisp you will get throughout the day. Because of the violet note, floral violet note present in the base notes, that's where the maximum powderiness in this fragrance is coming from. Benzoin and vanilla is making this very sweet. It kind of makes it like a jammy rose mixed with some woody and powdery notes. But the violet in this comes out very strong in terms of giving that powdery violet feel in this fragrance. Because the powderiness is very strong in this perfume, I sometimes find that this is more feminine than masculine fragrance. However, I am saying that this is unisex, but for men to like this perfume, they need to like powderiness, and they definitely need to like strong rosy nuances in their perfumes. I usually wear this during evenings and night times. This is a perfect date night perfume. This is a party perfume. If I have to go to a club, I would prefer wearing something like this because this is kind of strong, and even when I'm sweating and I'm dancing, I know that I'm not going to smell bad. So this is like a banger for the bucks, and definitely I feel that you are getting a good performance out of this at a very low price. So the MRP for this one is around 3,000 rupees for 100 ml. But if you go to pariscornerindia.com, or if you go to Perfume Palace and other websites, I have personally purchased this from pariscornerindia.com. That's why I'm mentioning it. I got it in the range of around 1700, like 1500 to 1700 range. I got this, and at that price point, 100 ml of this goodness is a very good deal because this one is a beast mode perfume. So I've gotten a kind of like some comments saying that not most of the Paris Corner fragrances are beast mode and they are like moderate performing. I will say that is not true because it just depends from perfume to perfume. Some perfumes are beast mode like this one. Also, if you've tried the Ministry of Oud line from Paris Corner, those perfumes are very strong. Then if you have tried like the Emir collection from Paris Corner, those are also good in performance. So it just depends first how much perfume you're applying, which weather you're applying it, whether you've macerated your perfume well or not. It just depends on a lot of factors how your perfume will behave. With this, my experience is I did not have to get it to maceration to get a good performance. So overall, this one is a complete paisa vasool according to me. So this is a strong scent, you guys. I don't see anybody under 25 rocking this one. I find this to be quite mature. It's kind of like a boss lady or a boss guy kind of a fragrance, and this marks its territory, like I am there kind of a perfume. This is something that cannot be ignored, and this is a compliment getter. It leaves a strong perfume trail, so wherever you'll go, the perfume will enter first before you enter kind of a situation with this one. It leaves a good trail, it has a good sillage, and overall you will definitely be noticeable when you wear something like this. All in all, my rating for this perfume is 10 out of 10. Yes, this one gets a 10 out of 10 because the packaging is good, the pricing is good, and the performance is amazing. So overall, I feel that this is good value for money, and I am loving and enjoying this kind of fragrance. You really need to like rosy oud fragrances to enjoy this one, and I will tell you this very clearly, it does have a मीठी रोजी सुपारी का फील इसमें prominently है. So only if you're comfortable with that sort of a fragrance profile, then go for this one. Otherwise, blindly don't go for it. I also want to say that this perfume is better off for kind of like evening night wear and winter and monsoon season. अभी currently हैदराबाद में इतनी बारिश हो रही है. I think this is the perfect perfume to be worn during monsoon क्योंकि ये बहुत एक अच्छा cozy vibe देता है, as well as एक freshness and पाउडरीनेस है इसमें, एक फेमिनिटी सी है इसमें, और इसको लगा के बड़ा एम्पावरिंग सा फील होता है. सो ओवरऑल मुझे लगता है इस वेदर के लिए ये परफ्यूम एकदम एप्ट है. So that brings us to the end of the video. That was everything that I wanted to say about Satin Luxe from Pandora Scents, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and have answered all of your doubts and queries. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and do follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.